If you guys have practiced till that, okay, now let me go and discuss one more thing. So what are the types of document reversal we'll be having? How to reverse individual document? What is the T code to reverse one single document?
FB08.
Correct. What is the T code to reverse uh, this T code, like multiple documents? What is the T code for that?
F.8.
F.80. Okay. Can anyone tried reversing the clearing document? No.
Ramesh, I tried.
Okay. Did it work in FB08 or F.80? See, in last
No,
week,
I think.
when we discussed about document reversals, I told you, right? Practice these two only. FB08, F.80 will come to these things later, right? So now in today's session, we'll discuss this FBRA. This is most important. Okay. Users won't face issues with these two transaction codes. Okay. See, it is simple, right? You go and you give the document number and reverse. Okay. Most of the users don't know this FBRA, reset and reversal. Okay. First, let me take one cleared item and try to reverse it. Okay. I am going to FBL3N. I'll give my open item GL account. This is approval account. I'll take cleared items. Okay. And I will execute. So, which one I'll take? 30, 35, 36, 35, 36, 37. Okay, we'll consider this one. Okay. 35, 36, 37, and there is 38. Yeah. 38 is the clearing document. No. Okay, anyway, let's try. Okay, let's try to reverse one of this document. Okay, let's take this 35. Okay, let me go to FB08, F, FB08. Okay, I am into FB08. Okay, where is the line item screen? It got closed. Okay, slash O FBL3N. Okay, cleared items. Let me execute. Let me take one of this document. Okay, so I'll copy this. To get this kind of plus symbol to copy, you need to click on Control Y. Then you can get this kind of symbol. You need to drag and you need to copy. Okay, I'll give this document here. I'll give fiscal year 2026. I'll give reversal region 01. Okay, so I'll try to reverse it. What error we are getting? Document includes cleared items, reversal not possible. Why that message completely is not coming? Okay. Okay, if you try to reverse it, we are getting an error saying document includes already cleared items, reversal not possible. Okay. If it is a cleared document, you can't reverse in FB08 or F.80. Okay. If it involves in the clearing process like this. If the document is already a cleared document, then you can't reverse it. Then what we can do? Okay, in that case only SAP has provided one option to reverse this kind of cleared documents, FBRA. most important T codes. See, users in the real time, they will clear. Later, they will realize that no, I did wrong clearing. This is not the correct one. I need to reverse it. So if they try to go and reverse it in FB08 or F.80, so it will throw an error saying that document is already a clear document. You can't reverse it. Okay, that's the reason we need to go to this T code FBRA. Just observe it very carefully. We have two options here. Okay, now slash and FBRA. Okay, I'll give the document number, company code 2026. Okay, now let me click on save, reset cleared items. Okay, document is not a clearing document. Document 10035 is not a clearing document. See, if you try to view this document, you can't able to reverse this documents in FBRA. Okay, you need to take this clearing document. For 35, what is the clearing document?
38.
38. Okay, let's go there and try to give only the clearing documents. Okay, if you try to give 35, 38, 35 in FB08 or F.80 or in FBRA, it won't work. You need to give the clearing document. So what is the clearing document for 35? 38. Correct. For 35, the clearing document was 38. So I just gave the clearing document. Now let me try to save it. Will it post or not post now? Will it reverse or not?
It reset.
It will give two options: clearing document, reset. Okay, now let me go and refresh here. Were you able to see 35, 38, those documents here? No.
No, Ramesh.
It will went to open items. Just 1 second, guys. I'll be back in 1 minute, guys. Okay. Okay, I am back, guys. Okay, see, you see, for one all zeros 35, 36, 37, all those things are showing in open item, right? Let me go to the 38 document which we reversed. Okay, does 38 documents have any items? No, right? So it simply what, it simply reset the items. Okay, the 38 document got reset, and the 35, 36, 37, all documents are showing in open items. Okay, now let me tell you one more case. 38 is having no line items. Okay, keep this thing in mind. 38 is just a clearing document, which we did in F-03. We already have debit, we already have credit, so we did the clearing in F-03. So the 38 document was generated. So okay, let me think that this 160 for this 60/40 is not related to this partial accrual posting. Okay, that's the reason I want to do the reset. Okay, now you see this 60/40 is showing separate and this 100 is showing separate. Now I can make again different payments and I can do the clearing. Okay, now everything is in the open items. Now if you want to reverse 35, 36, 37, now where we need to reverse, in FBRA or in FB08? If I want to reverse any one of this document, where I can reverse, FBRA or FB08?
FB08.
Why? These are all cleared items, no? Now these are not clearing
Now
documents
these are
anymore.
open items.
Now these are open items, correct? Be confident, okay? That's what I'm expecting. These are all open items now. So if I go and do the these 35, 36, 37 in FBRA, it will throw an error saying that document is not a clearing document. Okay, now if I go to FB08, it will reverse now. Okay, now let me take one case where we cleared using F-07. What is F-07? What is F dash 07?
Clearing.
Payment with clearing. Correct? So we have one accrual posting, one open item posting. So instead of doing one more payment posting, clearing in F-03, we'll be making the payment and clearing at one single time. Correct? I think this one is that case. See, 1 all zeros 30 was there here, and 1 all zeros 34. 1 all zeros 34 was the clearing document for both. If I check this 1 all zeros 34, I can see that it will be outstanding rent to bank. Okay, how rent account data to outstanding. Okay, 30. I think I need to open 34, right? 34. It will be outstanding rent to bank account. Okay, outstanding rent account data bank account. Now let me try to reverse this clearing document. I will get two options. Okay, 34. I'll go and try to reverse 34. Please closely observe. I will get two options. Previously, if I click on save, what happened? Only reset happened. Why? Because that is a clearing document without line items. Okay, if a clearing document without line items will be there, it will simply reset. Now I am taking one clearing document with items. Okay, this 34 document which is having items, line items are there. You can see outstanding rent to bank. Now I am reversing this clearing document. Closely observe. Okay, let me click on save. See, I am getting two options: only reset, reset and reverse. Okay, if I do only reset, what will happen? If I do only reset, what will happen?
It will come to open items.
What will come to open items? What are the documents which will come to open items?
The 34
34 and
30.
30.
34 and 30.
See, if you do only reset, it will remove the link between this 34 and 30. Here we have a clearing document, right? This clearing document will be removed, 34. Then what will happen? This 30 and 34 will come to open items. Okay, let me try that. Okay, we have any another case now? No. Okay, fine, we can create and we can do it. Okay, I am just trying only reset. Okay, now closely observe this 30 and 34. Okay, for 30 and 34, now it is in cleared state. 34 was the clearing document for both. Okay, I am reversing 34. I am choosing first option, only reset. Okay, I clicked on only reset. Now, what Sudarshan is saying that this 30 and 34 will be in the open items now. Let me check it. Refresh. See, 30 and 34 gone from here. If it is gone, where it will be? It will be in open items. You see, 30, 34 is in the open items. If you do only reset, what will happen? It will remove the clearing document. It will remove the link between this open item and this payment. Both will be in open item. Okay, we are just resetting the things, the clearing thing. Okay, there is one more option which came, right? Reset and reverse. Let me check the other option. Hope you are clear, right? If you select the first option, okay, reset, only reset, it will remove the link, it won't reverse the document. Now you see 30 and 34 still showing in FB, that open items, right? The documents were not reversed. We just did only reset. That means the clearing, we just removed it. Okay, both 30 and 34 are there in the open items. Now let me take any other case. Okay, and try to do the reset and reverse. Okay, which case I can say 26 27. For 26 27, the clearing document was 28. This means we did using F dash 03. No line items will be there in this. So for 29 31, the document was 33. No, this 33 will be like a no line item document. If I take 42 42, okay,
Take 45, Ramesh.
45. Here we have, okay. I think it will work. 43. What is the 44, 45? Correct, Sudarshan. See, for 44, the open item was 5,000. Okay. By 45, we made 5,000 payment. We cleared it. Okay. Let me do the reset and reverse for this one. Okay. Closely observe for 44. What is the open item? 5,000. Using 45 document, we made 5,000 payment. We cleared using the same document. Now let me try reset and reverse for this 1 all zeros 45. Okay. Now let me do 1 all zeros 45. Okay. Let me click on reset cleared items. So if I do only reset, what will happen? Can someone tell me? If I do only reset, what will happen?
It will open like
Yes.
it will show you.
44, 45
44 and 45 document.
will move to open items. It won't reverse the document. It just remove the link between 44 and 45. Both will move to open items. Now I will select this second option, reset and reverse. Okay. Before doing that, let me open 1 all zeros 45 document. Okay. 1 all zeros 45. What is the entry? Outstanding rent account at R to bank account. If we do the reset and reverse, so it should be reversed. Outstanding rent should be credit and bank should be debit. Okay. Let me try that. Okay. I am doing reset and reverse. Closely observe what will happen. It asks for a reversal reason. If you want to give any specific posting date, you can mention or else continue. Clearing items being reset. You see, clearing 1 all zeros 45 reset. Okay, document 1 all zeros 49 was posted. It did the reset and also the reversal document also posted. Okay, that's the difference between reset and reverse. Now, can someone tell me what happened to this 44? What happened to this 45?
Cleared with the 49 document.
Both reversed with 49?
Yes, Ramesh.
Okay, keep this thing in mind. Now, let me go and check. Let me execute all items so that it will be clear. Okay, okay, okay. You see, this is the 45, right? It cleared with 49. Okay. What are the documents we cleared? 40, 45, 40,
44 and 45.
44 and 45, right? There
And
is,
few are in, it is interlinked. I think we did the residual payment something.
correct, correct,
So
correct.
that's why.
Okay, this is residual case, right? Okay, okay. You see, this 44 is open now 5,000. The invoice will be open 44. You see, 5,000 is open, correct? Let me check 45. It got reversed and cleared with 49. Let me open 49 document. 49. Previously it is outstanding account at R to bank account, right? So outstanding was debit previously. Now it is credit. The bank was credit. Now it is debit. You see what will happen? The 45 document reversed with the 49 and it cleared. Okay. Previously what is happening? 44, 45 both will be in open item. It just removing the link. Now the 44 will be in open item. The approval posting, right? It will move to open item. The clearing document, what is the F-07 payment with clearing we did, right? That is 1 all zeros 45. It reversed with 49 and the clearing is also completed. Clear? If you are not clear,
Rami try to do one posting and clear because they don't much aware of that, right? They got confused.
okay, let me do one rent account at R2. Outstanding rent account posting. Let me take some 300. What is the outstanding rent GL account? Array, 2 all zeros. See, I am doing one open item accrual posting. Rent account at R2, outstanding rent account. Okay, 300 was the amount. What is the document? 50. Okay, let me check in the line items. Okay, it will be in the open items. Correct, 1 all zeros 50. Open items. Now see, 1 all zeros 50. 1 all zeros 50, 300. It is showing in open item. Now let me go and make the payment and do the clearing. Hope everyone is clear with these screens. The bank account GL was 1000. Amount will be 300. I'll give some text. The open item GL account was 2001. Let me click on process open items. See here there are so many items got selected. Let me do the select all. Let me do the deactivate items. Okay, everything got deactivated. So what document I need? 1 all zeros 50. Where it is?
300.
300. Okay, I selected 300. Now the not assigned was 0. See, if there are more items, you can double click it manually. It should be grayed out. Okay, if you want to do this select all and deactivate items, all will be deactivated. You select only your item. Okay, or else if you want to do manually, double click the items. Okay, now let me go to the overview. It will be outstanding rent to bank. Let me post it. Let me click on display document. You see outstanding rent to bank will be there. Now what will happen to this 50? It cleared with 51. Let me check now. Okay, 50 was the approval posting, 51 was the payment. Okay, 51 is the clearing document. Okay, now let us assume I made this payment wrong. 51 document, this clearing document, right? I made this payment wrong. Okay, if I just want to remove the link between 50 and 51, what I need to do? I just want to only remove the link. Both should be open. So in that case, what I need to select?
We need to select
Reset.
only reset.
Only reset. Okay. If I select a reset and reverse, what will happen? Can someone explain with me? If I select a reset and reverse, what will happen?
It got remove the link for 5150,
Mm-hmm.
and again there will be new document will be generated like 52.
Okay. What will happen to this 50, 51? What will be in open? What will be in cleared?
Sorry.
See, you told that the link should be removed for 50, 51. That is
Yes.
correct. Okay.
Yeah.
There is one new document will be generated. The new document is what? Is it a reversal of
Clearing
50 or
document.
51?
Reversal of 50 and 51 both.
Wrong.
51 will be reversed, Ramesh.
51 will be reversed. 50 should be what? What will be in open,
Open item.
50 or 51?
50.
50. See, the open item posting will be moved to open item. The 51 will be reversed with 52. The 51 and 52 will be in open or in cleared items. See, 50 will be in open item. What happened to 51? 51 is
Clear.
reversed with 52,
Cleared with 52.
cleared with 52. Okay, now let me try that reset and reverse. Okay, 51 was reset. The reset means the link between 50 and 51 was removed. Okay, and 52 was posted in company code. 52 is a reversal of 51. Okay, let me do the refresh now. You see, 51, there is a clearing document of 52. That means 51 reversed with 52 and got cleared. Okay, let me check in open items. What will be there? 50 will be there. See, 50, 300 is in the open items now. Clear the reset and resetting and reverse difference. If you do only reset, both open item posting and accrual posting both will be in open. Only the clearing document will be removed. The link will be removed. Okay. If you do resetting and reverse, okay, the accrual posting like this 50, it will be in open item. The clear document will be there, right? We posted and cleared using F-07. In our case, the previously it was 51 document. It will be reversed with 52, and 51 and 52 will be in the cleared items. Okay, if we do resetting and reverse, okay, you see the 51, this is the clearing document, right? It got reversed with 52 and both got cleared. Clear? This will be an sure shot important question in interviews, and also it will be important for our real time. Okay, so this is like a bit complicated topic, right? The resetting and reverse in FBRA, the clearing document, all those things. So most of the users won't be aware. So if they get this kind of errors, okay, they try to reverse this document. Okay, it is already a clearing, it is already having some clearing document. So in that case, they can't reverse directly this document. First, they need to do something for this document. They need to reset, or they need to do the reset and reverse for this clearing document. Then only they can do something for this one. Now can someone tell me, can I reverse the open item now? One all zeros 50 was there, right? Suppose I posted this one all zeros 50, I made the payment, I made the clearing. I thought that I made the wrong payment, I made the wrong clearing. Okay, I reset and reversed that one. Now I am thinking that this 50 is also wrong posting. Can I reverse this now? One all zeros 50
Yes.
using which T code? FBRA.
FB08.
Okay, let me try this one FBRA once. Okay, what it is showing? Document is not a
Is
clearing
not a
document.
clearing.
FBRA is only for clearing documents. Okay, let me go and try in FB08. One all zeros 50. Now let me post this one. See, 53 was posted. Now what will happen to this 50 from here? 50 is removed from the open items. Okay, now let me go to cleared items. Can someone tell me, is it in cleared items? Yes, you see 50, for 50 the reversal document was 53 and cleared with 53. So clear individual reversal, mass reversal, reset and reversal. Clear? In interview they will simply ask, what are the types of reversal will be having? Simple. You need to tell individual reversal, mass reversal, reset and reverse. You need to explain, okay, if it is a single document, will reverse in FB08. If we need to reverse multiple documents, so we need to use F.80. If there is a clearing document, we need to do the reset and reverse. We need to use FBRA transaction code. Like that you need to explain. We'll discuss this in tomorrow or day after tomorrow session. So I hope you are clear with these three. Any questions on these three? Any confusion first of all? Okay, so try to practice this FBRA much. Okay, so if you are clear, can I move to the next one? So this image will be there in the hold document concept. Okay, when we discussed hold document, right, it was there in the last image. Okay, so we'll discuss the other things in the upcoming session, other two options. Now any questions guys, or else I can move to the next one, small next topic. Okay, can I take it as no, everyone is clear? Okay, now we discussed about tolerance, right? Tolerance, what is tolerance?
Setting limits for payment differences.
Bah, super. Okay, now we'll try that case. RS43, this is my tolerance group. How much was the amount I permitted? 100, 10%. Which one will take Sudarshan while posting the difference? Is it 100 or
Whichever is less. Whichever is less.
whichever is less? Let me go to Excel and let me try one quick scenario. Then Okay, first let's say one open item posting, rent account debtor to outstanding rent account. Okay, let's take this 500, 500. Okay, what is 10% of 500? It will be 50, correct? So the limit was 100, 50. So which one system will consider? This is the amount, this is the percentage. So system will consider whichever is lower, right? System will take consider this one. Okay, suppose let's say you are making some 50 rupees lower than whatever the actual payment we need to make. So now tell me the outstanding rent. The outstanding rent will be 500. Okay, how much you are making payment? How much you are actually making payment? Let's say 450. Okay, so will the system allow us to see outstanding rent is 500? Okay, the original open item posting was 500, but you are making payment only 450 from your bank. Only you are making 450. System will allow us to post the document if there is a difference between debit and credit.
In normal case, it won't allow, but we maintain intolerance, right? So by
In
the
this
time it will.
it will allow. Okay, let me try that. Okay, let me try and do the posting. Okay, I'll take some reference postings instead of taking much time. I'm taking rent account at to outstanding rent account. Okay, let me take 500 as we discussed in that thing. Let me go to next line item and let me change it to 500. To save time, I'm using post with reference option. Okay, rent account at to outstanding rent account 50, 500 was posted. Okay, now Sudarshan, you mentioned that normal cases it won't allow. Since we maintain tolerance groups, it will allow, correct?
Yes, Ramesh.
Okay, let me try that. Bank account 1000, so I'll give only 450. Okay, let me click on open items. An amount entry is required in item text field. Okay, array, what is this one? Assignment field. Okay, now there are so many items which it got selected, so you can manually double click like this, or if you don't want to do that, use this select all, deactivate items. All will be deactivated. Now this 54 against this document only I need to make the payment, right? See, I double click this one. There is an not assigned amount of 50. So that one is saying that this difference is within the tolerance limit. It will allow us to post the document. Okay, you see, there is one error
It
is
should be
coming.
done in residual payment, right? Not in standard.
No, I am making full payment now. This will be the thing. Okay, see, there is an open item of 500, so I am making full payment only. I will give only 450 to them. I won't give any extra amount, balance 50, or I won't give that amount again to them. Okay, it is not partial payment or residual payment. I won't give them. This is the final amount I am giving to them against to that open item. There is a open item. See, you went into a shop, you purchased for 500. Okay, you are giving them 450. No, I'll give only this much. I won't give balance 50. This is the final payment I am making. Okay, this is not partial or residual. You are telling to that guy that I am just giving only 450. Okay, so if you try to do that 450, it will throw an error that account determination not defined for transaction chart of account. Now before understanding that one, now can someone tell me in this case how to adjust that balance 50? Is it a difference in the debit side or in the credit side? Credit side. Okay, I'll put this 50. Can someone guess what GL account it will be? To what GL account it will post?
Assets. Assets.
Not assets, sir. Did anyone heard about price difference account?
Yes.
So this kind of differences will post to price difference account or any difference account you can create anything. It will be posted to the difference GL accounts. Okay, if someone has to pay you or you has to pay 500, but you are making only 450 as a payment. Okay, then in that case there is a difference of 50. It will post to this GL account. Was there any option to enter that GL account manually while doing F-07? Can someone closely observe and see? Is there any option to enter that GL account price difference account anywhere? We can give here bank data. Okay, we can enter here text. We can enter here assignment. Is there any option to enter that price difference account anywhere here? No, right? So there was
The charge of difference.
okay that we can do if you want to do manually, you can give that charge of manually. But I want to be automatic. I don't want to charge manually. In that case, so that's the reason SAP has provided one option. You create one price difference GL account, okay, and assign it in OBXZ. There is one transaction code. See automatic posting. Here you have to mention the GL accounts, okay. If you mention here the GL account, whatever the difference will be coming, right, it will be auto posted to that GL account. Clear? Now let me try the automatic option. Let me create one price difference GL account. I'll take price difference. Let's take some income kind of thing. You can take income GL or expense. Anything you can take. It will be an, let's take primary cost or revenue. So let me take this as because I have to post, I have to pay them 500, but I'm making only 450, right? So let's take this as an income GL. So price difference. Correct. Whether it is copied or not. Control. Control. So here let it keep INR. Okay. Let me give short key 001 or 2 posting date. Let me go to create bank or interest. I'll give G001. Okay. Here one thing was there. Post automatically. If you want any GL account to be post automatically, we need to select this checkbox. Okay. Now this price difference, we want to post to this GL account automatically, right? Correct or not?
Yes, Ramesh.
So
Yes.
let me select this post automatically and save it. Done. I created this GL account. Now creating itself won't will work. We need to assign it there in OBXZ. Enter your chart of account. Okay. So first it will go to this screen. Okay. Rules. Okay. Just don't do anything. Just simply save it. Okay. After saving, click on accounts. In the account section, you need to give the GL account. What is the GL account I gave? 4,000. Okay. Let me save it. It will ask for transport request. Saving is done. I created price difference GL account. I maintained in OBXZ. Now let me try to do the payment. So here 1000. Let me give amount as 450, 2001. Oh, text will be mandatory, right?
Assignment also.
The process open items. Let me select all, deactivate items. Against this 500 we are making payment. Now go to overview. Okay, 450. Let me try to save it. You see the price difference is automatically coming. It is giving an error. Correct the marked line items. Why? Because someone changed in my account saying that text and assignment are mandatory. Someone made. So that's the reason it is asking this text and assignment field mandatory. Otherwise, that the difference account is automatically picking from where it is taking from OBXZ. Here in this transaction code, we maintained this price difference account. Okay, if there is any price difference, this GL account will be automatically picked. Let me try to do the posting now. It got posted 1 all zeros 55. Let me display this document. Okay, you see outstanding rent is 500. Bank, how much we are paying from our bank account? Only 450. There will be a price difference of 50, so it will be posted to price difference account. Let me try one more scenario quickly. Let me do one open item posting with the same amount. What is the first document? It will be 50, right? Okay, rent account that are two outstanding. Let me change it to 500. The other amount also I'll change to 500. Okay, overview and post. What is the document? 56 will be posted. Now let me make this payment to 56. Okay, I'll give some date. SA bank account. I'll give 420. Now will it allow me to post?
No,
Why?
it is more than that, right?
So what are the tolerance limits we'll be having? Let me
We
go
given 100 rupees and 10%.
100 rupees and 10%. So
10%.
10% of 500 was 50. Okay, 100 or 50. System has to consider only 50. So now here what is the difference? It is 80. Let me try to do the posting now. Whatever it is coming, difference is too large for clearing. Okay, if I give 430, will it post?
No,
440,
no,
450,
it will,
It will
okay,
post.
460.
it will post.
Okay, so try to understand this concept. Okay, we will be mentioning amounts and percentages. If the difference is, okay, if the difference is within the limits, okay, it will consider, otherwise no. Also it will check whichever is coming lower, either the percentage or the amount. It will consider only that. You may think that 100 was amount mentioned here, but here only the difference was only 80, it should allow. No, it will consider lowest of these two. Now this scenario is working fine, you are clear. Now for the same scenario I am not doing the posting. Let me go back and give amount extra. Here if you see, we have debit posting, credit posting differences both, right? Now let me make the payment of 530 or 540 something kind of thing. Will it post 530? 530 will it allow to post or not? Can someone guess? 530 will it allow to post or not? Can you hear me?
Sarams.
So let's take this case only. Okay, if it is, suppose I have to make only 530. I am most kind hearted person, I want to give 530. So now whether the debit line item is more or credit line item is more? Credit side,
Credit
right?
line.
So now the price difference will go into debit side or in the credit side?
Debit side.
Debit side.
Okay, we have to make only 500, but I am making 530. Okay, I am just giving them some extra tip. Okay, now will it post or not post? Not as and is 0. Will it post or not? Let's see. Correct the marked line items. It means the text and assignment field. Okay, I'll give this text and assignment fields. So it is allowing me to post or not. Now you see the difference is coming in the debit side. You see the bank account is 530. You have to make only 500. You are so rich, you are kind hearted, so you are making 530. The difference will be there. Again it will post the same GL account as a debit line item. Okay, if you are making less payment, the price difference will go in the credit side. If you are making more payment, it will adjust accordingly to debit or credit. Okay, let me save it. The document was posted. Suppose let's say if I make 560, will it system allow?
No, it won't allow.
Why I'm so rich, I'm making some more payment. Why that system will allow?
If you reach also, we maintain 50 only for limit, right? We given
See,
10% only.
the percentage and the amounts, whichever is lower, system will consider only that. Clear, guys? So clear with this tolerance group. I told you, right? So first we'll be creating only this tolerance groups. I told you, right? We'll test this scenario. We tested this one. Okay, everything okay. So that's the reason I told you we'll discuss only half first. Okay, only the basic thing. We'll be coming to the screens again and again. We'll do the further testings. Okay, now let's go to this image. See, I have mentioned here. Okay, while clearing if difference occur, you need to maintain it in the OBXZ transaction code. Okay, important thing is while creating this one, so create post automatically only checkbox. Okay, there is one thing called manually clearing the difference. Okay, or use charge of difference. Okay, let me try that case as well. So that won't be manual charge of, won't be the case actually, but let's me try that. I'll give 55 or 56. What is that? 55 outstanding. No, no, not this one. 301 post with reference. Let me try this. Yes, 50 only. Might take this. Okay, 50 rent account data to outstanding rent account. Okay, 58 was posted. Now let me make the payment and use the charge of difference. I think if you select a post automatically, it won't allow that GL to allow manual postings, but let's try. Let me take some 295 or something payment. Let me take some small difference, 5 rupees. Let me select all, deactivate items, select only this 300. If you know the difference is already assigning, okay, you can use this charge of difference. Okay, you can give that 50 and that GL account 4000. Okay, since the GL account is post automatically, right, you can't use that for manual postings here. Okay, now let me remove that post automatically checkbox and try to do the posting. 4000, change mode, post automatically. I am removing it. You can create two different GL accounts or use the same GL account. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, now I removed that for manual postings, so I'll give 1000 here. I'll make some 295. I'll give 2001 my open item GL account. These fields are mandatory. I'm giving something. Right. Process open items. There are so many items selected. I will select all, deactivate all items. I will select only my item. Okay, now you can see charge of difference. So that's what I mentioned in the image as well. If you want to do manually, okay, process open items, if difference appear, system post to configuration gain or loss account, that is price difference gain or loss account, or use charge of difference to post manually. Okay, now I'll use this charge of difference. Okay, if I use charge of difference, I need to enter the GL account manually. 50 because I'm making some less payment, right? Price difference will come in the credit side. Okay, so I'll give the 4,000 account. I'll give what is the difference 5. Okay, the assignment I'll give something test or test something. Okay, now let me go to overview. You see now that 295 300 total 300, right? The payment and the difference, the open item was 300. Let me try to do the posting now. It got posted. Okay, either you can use manually clicking on charge of difference, or you can do it via maintaining GL account in OBXZ. If you maintain in OBXZ, do we need to use this charge of difference manually? No.
No,
it,
no
it
need.
The GL account will be picked automatically, and it will do the posting and clearing. If you haven't maintained GL account here, or if you want to use manually, use this charge of difference in F-03 or in F-07. You can use anything. Okay, clear with this today's topic? What we discussed about reversal of clearing document. Okay, if system will allow us to do the reversal of clearing document in FB08, no, it won't allow. You need to do it in FBRA transaction code. Okay, in FBRA we have two options: only reset, reset and reversal. What will happen if you do only reset? Both the open item posting, the accrual posting and the payment posting will move to open items. Okay, it won't reverse any document. If you do resetting and reverse, what will happen? The payment document, that whatever document you posted in F-07, right, it will be reversed with one new document and move to cleared item. Whatever the open item, right, the accrual posting, so it will be moved to open items. Okay, you can do later clearing, or you can reverse that one also if you need it. Okay, and we discussed about this GL clearing differences. Okay, if there is any difference comes, if the difference is within the tolerance limit, then system will allow us to do the clearing. Okay, there are two options. The difference has to post to the different price difference GL account. You can do it automatic, or you can do it via manually using charge of difference. Okay, use in OBXZ you have to maintain the price difference GL account. Okay, you need to create one new GL account, price difference GL account, and you need to maintain it there. Okay, and that GL account also you can use for charge of manual price difference also. Okay, this is a transaction code I just provided for the tolerance group. Okay, OBA0, you remember, right? The GL tolerance group. So we discussed OBA4, A0, A3, right? Here we need to mention for our company code what is the tolerance group and what are the limits here. Okay, system will consider lowest of these two. Any questions with these two topics? Okay, safe side, let me stop the recording.